Good afternoon. We are in the midst of this BCE Homes project that we've taken on, that we showed you a brief video before. Well, as you're able to presently see, I don't know if you're able to clearly see it, but we've taped all of the lines within this gymnasium from one side to the other in terms of all of the basketball lines that are being renewed and refreshed in this gymnasium. But equally as well, as you're able to see, we're equally repainting the interior walls, which we are about 50% done. But you can see the gray, the illuminated gray that they chose is definitely turning out quite well, quite beautiful. But lastly, we will paint the lines, allow the paint to dry, and then we will add a sealer and a shine onto the floors. But as you're able to clearly see, we've completely resanded the entire gymnasium in terms of the line work. Now we're in the process of just taping everything. We're nearly complete the taping process, being that we started behind me. And we will show you the ending result of this project once it is made complete. So thank you for taking out the time to look over another BCE Homes project of perfected workmanship.